Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you went there? Or struggled to focus on a simple task because your mind feels like it's wrapped in cotton? You are not alone. Millions of people deal with brain fog every single day, and it is absolutely draining. But here is the exciting news. What you put on your plate has incredible power to clear that mental fog and get your brain firing on all cylinders again. Today we are diving into 7 amazing foods that can transform your cognitive function and help you think clearly again. Your brain is an absolute powerhouse. Despite making up only about 2% of your body weight, it uses roughly 20% of all your calories. That is a hungry organ. And just like any high-performance machine, it needs the right fuel to run smoothly. When you feed your brain the wrong foods, you get inflammation, poor blood flow, and that frustrating mental cloudiness. But when you give it the nutrients it craves, magic happens. Research from Harvard Medical School confirms that the foods you eat directly affect how your brain is structured and how well it functions. So let us talk about the foods that can change everything. Number 1 on our list is fatty fish. We are talking salmon, trout, and sardines. These fish are absolutely loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential building blocks for your brain cells. Studies show that people with higher omega-3 levels have better blood flow to the areas of the brain responsible for memory and learning. Aim for 2 servings a week, about the size of your palm. That is all it takes to start seeing benefits. Next up, avocados. These creamy green powerhouses are packed with healthy monounsaturated fats that improve blood flow to your brain. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching your brain cells. Research from Tufts University found that avocados contain lutein, which is directly linked to better cognitive performance. Just half an avocado daily can make a real difference in your focus and mental clarity. Number 3 is berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries. These little gems are antioxidant powerhouses. They contain compounds called flavonoids that reduce inflammation and protect your brain cells from damage. Here is something incredible. A study found that women who ate 2 or more servings of berries each week delayed cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. That is like turning back the clock on your brain. Berries also boost production of a protein that helps grow new brain cells and enhances your cognitive function. Now let us talk about dark leafy greens. Spinach, kale, collard greens. These vegetables are nutrient superstars packed with vitamin K, folate, and beta-carotene. Research from Rush University Medical Center discovered something amazing. People who ate just 1 to 2 servings of leafy greens daily had the cognitive abilities of someone 11 years younger compared to those who rarely ate these vegetables. 11 years younger. The nitrates in these greens also dilate your blood vessels, improving blood flow to your brain and clearing that mental fog. Number 5 is walnuts. Among all nuts, walnuts are the brain health champion. They are rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3, plus powerful antioxidants. A study from UCLA found that higher walnut consumption was linked to improved cognitive test scores. Just a small handful daily, about an ounce or 14 walnut halves, provides significant brain benefits. Next is extra virgin olive oil. This Mediterranean staple contains polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that protect your brain cells. Research shows olive oil helps clear proteins from the brain that are associated with Alzheimer's disease. Its healthy fats also support the structure of your brain cell membranes. Use it for low-temperature cooking or drizzle it on salads to get maximum benefits. And number 7, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa contains flavonols that increase blood flow to your brain. Studies show it can improve attention and problem-solving skills. Just stick to 1 or 2 small squares daily, about an ounce, to get the benefits without overdoing the calories. Now, these individual foods are powerful, but they work even better as part of a comprehensive eating pattern. The Mediterranean diet brings all these brain-boosting foods together. This approach emphasizes plant foods, olive oil, fish, and limits processed foods. Research shows that following a Mediterranean diet can lower your risk of cognitive impairment by 30 to 35%. That is huge. Here is something many people overlook. Hydration is absolutely critical for brain function. Even mild dehydration, just 2% of your body weight, can cause headaches, fatigue, and difficulty concentrating. Research from the University of Connecticut confirmed that mild dehydration directly causes the symptoms we associate with brain fog. Women should aim for about 90 ounces of fluids daily, men about 125 ounces. Keep a water bottle with you and sip throughout the day. Now let us flip the script and talk about what makes brain fog worse. Refined carbohydrates like white bread and pastries cause blood sugar spikes and crashes that wreck your concentration. Added sugars increase inflammation in your brain. Highly processed foods contain additives that may impair cognitive function. Studies show that people who eat high-sugar diets experience greater mental fatigue and poorer cognitive performance. Trans fats found in some fried and processed foods actually reduce your brain's ability to adapt and change. And excessive alcohol disrupts your neurotransmitter balance and dehydrates your brain. So here is your action plan. Start small. Do not try to overhaul everything at once. Pick 1 or 2 brain-boosting foods and incorporate them into your daily routine this week. Maybe add berries to your breakfast or snack on walnuts in the afternoon. Plan ahead. Set aside time each week to prepare brain-healthy meals. Stock your pantry with olive oil, nuts, canned fish, and frozen berries so you always have good options available. And pay attention to how different foods affect you. Keep a simple food journal to identify your personal triggers and what works best for your brain. Remember, consistency is what creates lasting change. One brain-healthy meal will not transform your cognitive function, but a sustained pattern of nutritious eating absolutely will. Many people notice improvements within just a few days of cutting out sugar and processed foods, with more significant results developing over 2 to 4 weeks. Brain fog does not have to be your reality. By incorporating these 7 powerful foods, staying properly hydrated, and avoiding the dietary culprits that cloud your thinking, you can reclaim your mental clarity and cognitive performance. Your brain has an amazing capacity to heal and improve when you give it the right nutrition. Start today with just one change, and build from there. Your clearer, sharper mind is waiting for you on the other side of these simple but powerful dietary shifts.